Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The fourth row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. As you see, this row is quite simple, and I started from this ring. I like to make the first chain as a joint chain, just to avoid annoying tail, like here. And there are 5 rings between joint chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rings. All I need to do is to make the last ring and hide the ends. And yeah, this row is ready. 2. Yeah, it's a bit wavy, but that's fine. We will fix that at the end. And that's it for today. And again, if you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching. As usual, like, share, and subscribe. See you next video. Bye!